Why do we say bless you when someone sneezes? It's not just politeness, it's way darker than you think. Let's unravel this weird tradition. Back in ancient times, sneezing freaked people out. Some believed your soul could literally escape your body with a sneeze, leaving you open to evil spirits. Others thought sneezing meant you were about to get seriously sick, so saying bless you was like a protective spell, hoping you'd survive. Pope Gregory I made God bless you standard during the Black Plague. Fast forward to today and we still say it, even if we're just worried about germs. So next time you sneeze and someone blesses you, remember, they might be protecting your soul or just being polite, and subscribe for more.